Welcome everybody. Today we've got the Autobot Perceptor. Something I noticed as I was messing around with him. He does have a pretty much, I'll bring it way in for this, fully functional thermal sticker. Fades all the way back through. Much more visible in person than it is on the screen, but still, I think that's one of the first ones I've found that's actually pretty well working. He was, of course, transformed into a microscope and did come with this. This actually functions as somewhat of a microscope. A glorified magnifying glass to be closer, but and in another change of events, I actually do have most of his weaponry. Evidently there was one more missile that I don't have, but he came with 2 weapons and that. Like I say, mine's pretty well sprung here, so it comes off faster than I want it to. But between the microscope and let's see if I can transform him without breaking. Oh yeah, he did also have something unusual. It doesn't work on the down slide, but actually has a dial to raise his head for his transformation. So that's sort of, I say, it worked much better in the 80s. But back down there, I say, put that up there, flip his shoulders out, mirror down, tray down, these guys in, that, and this goes all the way around. Extend his stabilizers, put his leg down, twist, stabilizer, and let's see that, and you've got a microscope. Pretty, and for some reason he's got a third wheel back here that I haven't figured out or remembered. Anytime you lay this part, unless I guess it could go like that, and you'd have, okay, yeah, that'll give you some sort of a pseudo tank thing, and it, in theory, would roll. It doesn't, but in theory it would. Best I can tell, there is no spring in here. I don't know if it never had one or if it's broken in there. I haven't popped it open to look yet. Here's a better look at his weapon. Basically only really done on one side, had the hollow print. But yeah. Let's see, transform him back to robot form. Whoop. And you over there, down. Raise his head up one more time. Oh yeah, his hands out. And rifle over here, and missile launcher here. I'm going to say a dual-wielding science officer. I assume he's a science officer. I don't know why he would be a microscope if he wasn't. I didn't check into the lore. But anyway, that's Perceptor. Thanks for watching. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe. Plenty more to go where this came from, and I'll see you next time.